Say hi, friends.
Hi, friends. Can you do that today? Let's go remember type of cars.
Type of cars?
Yes.
Okay, can you show them?
What type of car is this?
What? I don't know.
It's a car.
It's a car? You tell them. What type of car is that?
It's motor car.
Is it a motor car? Is it?
Vroom. Vroom.
Okay. Next?
What's next?
What's next?
A bike.
A bike. You show them. Come forward. You show them. Show them that. Whoa. Here, here, J-Boy, you show them. Here. Here, Here, Jiraiya. Come here. You show them that. Okay, I'll just go there.
What's this?
Okay.
What's this?
Dummy cars, J-Boy.
It's a bike.
It's a motorbike.
Yes.
Okay, next. What's next?
A mega truck.
What's that?
A mega truck.
A cement truck?
Like a truck. Beep, beep, beep. It's
What?
a tow truck.
It's a tow truck?
Yes, I made the truck on the world. A tow truck.
A tow truck.
A tow
Can you
truck.
move here, J-Boy?
Okay.
Show them the different... What's that?
Cars.
Tractors? What's that?
And a tractor and more tractors.
Okay.
And
Can you show them that?
And the bulldozer.
A bulldozer.
Yes.
Oh,
It's like a car. It's like all the tractors. Red, yellow, and green.
perfect. What else?
Vroom, vroom, vroom. Don't worry, tractor. Look. Well, look. I'll put it on.
Okay. What's that?
I'll put it on.
Okay.
Okay. What's next? Two tractors on a bulldozer. Look. Vroom, vroom. There have dummy buckets.
You have dummy buckets?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look, oh, this truck is trouble. I gotta call the tow truck. Beep, 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 beep. Here.
Oh, you're gonna tow the truck?
Yes. Beep, beep,
What
beep.
kind of truck is that?
Monster truck.
A monster truck. What else?
Helicopter.
Whoa. Let me see.
Sovereign a monster truck. Beep, beep, beep. Here comes a fire truck.
A fire truck.
This help people from the fire. And when stuck in there, there are letters beep like that. A garbage truck. Take all the garbage. Beep beep. No more garbage. Time to go in our S truck. Beep beep beep. Beep beep beep. Oh, done. The front. Okay, more garbage. Man, collect all the garbage.
Okay.
Last one. Let them go. Shoot a F truck. Okay, beep beep beep. Beep.
How about those trucks, J-Boy? What are those? The big ones.
Garbage truck.
Okay. How about those?
What's this?
Okay. What's that?
A police car.
Wow.
Oh, look. There's a bad girl. Oh, look. There's a speeding car here. Oh, look. It's chasing this. I am a police car moving along. Catch the back letters that they cry. Yeah! Let's go catch that burglar.
Whoa.
Oh, wait. What's this? There's more.
There's more.
I want a police car.
Is that a police car?
Yes. Let's see. Oh, no, there's no police cars. Trouble. Have no wheels.
No wheels?
A new wheel.
Kawawa police car.
Right there.
Okay.
Some wheels.
There you are. Okay, how about those, J-Boy?
Oh, okay. Okay, put a new tire.
Okay, just put a new tire next time. What else do you have?
A pickup truck.
A pickup truck. Where?
And a green car.
And a green car.
A water car.
Okay. What's that?
A race car.
A racing car.
It's a Slide Queen.
Lightning McQueen.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a superstar.
A superstar. Just like J-Boy?
Vroom. Well, here's a racing car.
Mhm.
It's red, but it got your bungalow too.
Whoa.
Look. Let's show the city.
Whoa.
A lot of racing car.
Mm-hmm.
Who's this?
That's another racing car?
Yes, it's turn cherry.
It's Jerry?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh no. No more wheels here. No, look.
Whoa. Let's look for another tire tomorrow.
Okay.
Wow, how about those? Big ones. What's that?
It's an electric truck. Electric truck.
Another track.
Yes.
How about that? What's that?
A roller.
What?
A roller.
A road roller.
Yes. And there's a bumpy road. And then we can make flatted it.
Nice one. Okay, this one.
Excavator.
An excavator.
Yes, look.
Mm-hmm. Wow, it's moving.
Jude, beep, beep. Okay, I'm tired. Okay, I'm gonna think. Jude, beep, beep, beep. Let's jump to the side. Let's go to the side.
Whoa.
Let's dig now.
Mm-hmm.
Look.
How about those? J-Boy, the remaining 3. The big 3s. What's that?
It's a bus.
It's a bus?
Yeah.
Okay.
And a big police car.
And a big police car.
Wow, all the vehicles are big and strong.
Wow.
Look.
What's that?
Train.
A train. Wow, perfect. Clap your hands. Good job, J-Boy. Good job.
Look at back now.
Oh, I have a question, J-Boy.
Okay.
Jiraiya.
Oh, there's a speeding car.
Jiraiya, who is your girlfriend?
Mommy.
And your best friend?
Going to the police station.
Who is your best friend, J-Boy? Jiraiya.
Oh, there's a burglar.
Listen first. Who is your best friend?
Beep, beep, beep. Here comes a police car.
Jiraiya, listen to mommy first. Jiraiya, who is your best friend?
Mommy.
No, mommy is your girlfriend. Who is your best friend?
Sir.
Who is our baby?
Jiraiya.
Yay! How old is Jiraiya?
3 years old.
Perfect. And who is Jiraiya?
A best person in a whole wide world.
Yay! I'm happy! Yay!
High five.
High five. Agay. Masakit. Agay. You say bye-bye to friends.
Bye bye. Okay, I want to go bye. Let's go see another vehicle.
Kiss
And
friends.
comments.
Kiss friends.
Red, yellow, green.
What's that?
Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. What's next?
Uranus.
What's Uranus? Uranus and Neptune.
Yes. Okay, bye-bye na. Bye-bye.
Okay, look, I got this.